I got some words for you. I have a list of 20 words. We're not going to do all 20 words, but I'm going to spell the word for you. And I want you to try and pronounce the word. Then I will pronounce the word and you can repeat after me. Sounds good? I know. I know it sounds good. So let's practice your English pronunciation. Word number 1. Knight. Try and pronounce the word. Knight. Night. Night. Yes. Silent K. Night. Well done. Next word. Strength. Strength. Can you pronounce the word? Say it out loud. Typing is not important. I want you to say it out loud. Let this be the first day you speak English out loud. Just try to pronounce it. Strength is, of course, strength. Strength. It's a very difficult combination of letters. We have str, str, and then we have ngth, strength, strength. There you go. Beautiful combination of consonant letters. All right, here's the next one. WRIST. How to pronounce this word? WRIST. Wrist. Exactly. Wrist. Your wrist. And a wristband. Wrist. Can you pronounce it correctly? Wrist. Make sure you focus on that R. Next one. SUBTLE. SUBTLE. Do you know how to pronounce this word? SUBTLE. Subtle. It sounds like a D. Yes. Subtle. 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 Did you pronounce it correctly? Yes or no? You can leave your comment down below. Did you pronounce it correctly? SUBTLE. Subtle. Like, and do you know the meaning of subtle? Subtle. Lucas is very subtle with his trickery. Subtle can mean soft, can mean smooth, subtle. Next one. CHAOS. How to pronounce? CHAOS. CH, soft C, sh, but not in this case. Not in this case. In this case, chaos. Like a chaos. Chaos. Which means the little children are making a chaos. Lucas's live stream is a chaos. 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 Hard to pronounce. CH can also be soft, as in chef. Chef. So it's difficult. Here's the next one. Let's do RHYTHM. RHYTHM. How to pronounce this word? RH. Can you pronounce it out loud? Not in your head. Out loud. R. Rhythm. Rhythm. Remember, when there's an H in these positions, it always softens some letters. Rhythm. In this case, the T becomes almost soft. Rhythm. The TH combination. Tongue between the teeth. La la la. Th th th. Rhythm. Rhythm. Just blow out the air. Rhythm. What else do we have? Thumb. Thumb. How to pronounce thumb? I told you just now, H makes it soft. TH. Thumb. Thumb. Silent B. Thumb. Put up your thumbs, guys. Don't forget to leave a thumb with a silent B. Thumb. Well done. Next one. This is a difficult one for some of you. THOUGHT. THOUGHT. Those letter combinations, are you confused? Or can you say it out loud? TH, and then? Thought. Right. Thought. TH combinations with OUGH, there's a lot of different pronunciations. This one, thought. As in thinking. My thought was that you guys like to learn English, so join us for free. I thought you'd like it. Thought. Alright. How about a little longer one? Listen up. PSYCHOLOGY. PSYCHOLOGY. How to pronounce this word? Giving you a challenge, guys. Giving you a challenge. Say it out loud. Out loud. That's the best way to practice. Not in your head, out loud. Because the English in your head, very good. English out loud, maybe less good. Yes. The P is silent. I always used to say the P every single time until somebody told me it's a silent P. Psychology. 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 Psychology is very interesting. Psychology. Not psychology. That's what I genuinely used to say. Psychology. Oh, I love psychology. Talking to your cat? Psychology. Well done. All right. LAUGHTER. LAUGHTER. How to pronounce this word? Ooh. It's not laughing. Yes, you are getting close. You're getting close. La la la. Say it out loud. Laughter. 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 Or laughter. Depends if you're British or American. You can choose. I always like to say laughter, but laughter is also fine. Not laughter, Luna. That's not an option. Laughter or laughter, both fine with me. Thank you for the donut. It's my life. Donut is life. True story. Here is the next one. Can you pronounce the word? WEDNESDAY. One of the dumbest words in existence. WEDNESDAY. Wednesday. Whoever was writing this for the very first time, I don't think they could speak English. What are all these letters doing here? It's just Wednesday. Wednesday. There is no need to look at the spelling whatsoever. It doesn't make any sense. Wednesday? Is it like a wedding or something? What's going on? Wednesday. Wednesday is challenge day in our community. Correct. Every Wednesday, challenge videos and a challenge live stream. This is also a challenge, but different kind of challenge. Wednesday. I'm gonna give you a few more. Let's see, how many did I do? 13, 12, 11, 10? No, 11. Okay. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Looks like thought. Isn't thought. How do I pronounce this? D-R-O-U-G-H-T. Say it out loud. I'll give you an option, 1 or 2. Is it number 1, drought? Or number 2, drought? Number 1, drought. Or number 2, drought. Who can tell me? Is it drought, number 1, or drought, number 2? Most people think it's 1. Oh, but now the 2s are coming back. Well, there's also this word, D-R-O-U-G-H-T, with D-R-A-U-G-H-T. And that is pronounced drought. You already watched the video today? Maybe somebody else should also watch today's video. Maybe somebody else should also watch today's video. Drought and drought. Beautiful words, by the way. It just means when everything is dried out. Dry out. Drought. Dried out. Makes sense, right? Makes sense, right? You can remember it like that. All right. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. 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 How to pronounce this word? It's a job. Yes. It's a job. How do I pronounce this word? It has a silent letter. Yes, the B is silent. P-L-U-B-E-R. P-L-U-M-B-E-R is pronounced plumber. Plumber. Mario is a plumber, an Italian plumber. Plumber. Guys, there is no B whatsoever. A plumber takes care of your sink and all those things. Toilet, water, all those things. Plumber. Very important job. All right, I'll give you 2 more of these. 2 more. It's me, Mario the plumber. D-E-B-T. D-E-B-T. How to pronounce D-E-B-T? Just a 4-letter word, not that difficult. How to pronounce it? Kind of weird, right? D-E-B-T, debt, debt, debt. Silent B, just that. That. We are also on YouTube right now, English with Lucas. You can check it out there too. Different angle. That. English is very confusing. That's why I'm here to help you out. D-E-B-T, that. Pronounced as that. You're learning English for free. The only debt you have is liking the live stream. He is in a debt. The meaning of that is that you need to pay back money. You owe someone money. You have a debt. For example, if you rent a house, normally you have a debt, or you buy a house. Then for the next 10 years, you're paying back your mortgage, which is a debt. All right, last one. tsunami. tsunami. What's this word? And we have another practice challenge after this one. Yes. One of those big waves created normally by an earthquake. Tsunami. Yeah. Tsunami. Tsunami. Sounds like an Indonesian word. Can you give me some tsunami? A natural disaster. Tsunami. Yes. Not tsunami. 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 One of those big waves. Probably also comes from Japanese because they have most tsunamis, I feel like. Tsunami. Well done. How does it feel practicing your pronunciation in just 10 minutes? Trying to improve in just 10 minutes. I'll repeat every single word for you one more time. We'll go over it one more time, all the words. You can repeat after me. Or before me. No, do after me. Knife. Knife. Night. Sorry, I'm looking in a wrong page. Night. Strength. Strength. Look at the tongue between the teeth. Strength. Wrist. Wrist. Your wrist. Wristband. Wrist. Subtle. Subtle. Smooth. Subtle. Chaos. Almost the opposite of subtle. Chaos. Psychology. Psychology. Rhythm. Rhythm. I am too subtle? I don't think so. Thumb. Thumb. Thought. Thought. Laughter or laughter. Up to you. Laughter or laughter. Wednesday. Wednesday. Drought. Drought. Plumber. Plumber. Debt. Debt. Tsunami, not tsunami.